Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix 5G not showing up on your T-Mobile phone so you can get the fastest speeds available. Many people face this issue when their phone only shows LTE or 4G, even though they're in a 5G coverage area. Don't worry, there are a few quick ways to fix it. Method 1. Check your coverage. Go to T-Mobile's coverage map online. Make sure your area actually supports 5G service. Method 2. Verify phone compatibility. Not all phones support T-Mobile's 5G bands. Check that your phone is 5G capable and unlocked for T-Mobile's network. Method 3. Reset network settings. On your phone, go to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, then Reset Network Settings. This clears out old settings that might block 5G. Method 4. Update software and carrier settings. Go to Settings, then Software Update, and install the latest updates. This often includes carrier updates needed for 5G to work. Method 5. Reinsert SIM or try an eSIM. Power off your phone, remove and reinsert your SIM card. If the issue continues, ask T-Mobile support about switching to an eSIM. Important notes. 5G won't appear indoors sometimes if the signal is weak. Try stepping outside. Make sure 5G Auto or 5G/LTE is enabled in your phone's network settings. If none of these work, contact T-Mobile to check if there's an outage in your area. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more T-Mobile fixes and mobile tips.